Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Importing AAF files into Premiere Pro is a key skill for video editors. AAF stands for Advanced Authoring Format. It helps you move complex projects between different editing software. This format is great for sharing work between Premiere Pro, Avid, and audio tools like Pro Tools. First, open your Premiere Pro project. Go to the top menu and select File. Then, click on Import from the list. You can also press Command-I on a Mac or Control-I on Windows. A window will pop up on your screen. Find the AAF file on your computer. Select the file and click Open. Premiere Pro will start processing the data. It will create a new sequence in your project bin. You might see a translation report. This report shows any items that did not transfer perfectly. Check this list for missing effects or transitions. Drag the new sequence onto your timeline to see your work. Sometimes, media files might be offline. If this happens, right-click the clips and choose Link Media. Point Premiere Pro to the folder where your original video and audio are stored. This will reconnect everything quickly. Make sure your frame rates match the original project settings. If they do not match, the audio might drift out of sync. Double-check your tracks to ensure everything looks correct. Importing an AAF is the best way to keep your timeline structure intact. It saves you from rebuilding your edit from scratch. Now you can continue your creative work with ease. This simple process makes professional collaboration much faster and more reliable for every editor working today.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.